Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're going to be fixing this old muzzleloader that had the broken trigger and the stuck breech plug. I haven't got the breech plug in yet. It's been on order for a couple weeks and I ain't got it yet, but I do have the trigger in, so we'll go ahead and get it put in and start putting it back together. Alright, thank you for watching. Alrighty, so we got this thing tore down all the way to the firing mechanism here. I took that breech off, the breech lock, just to get it out of the way. You can see this pin for the breech is what holds the spring for the trigger. So we're going to get it chucked up in the vise here, and we're going to take out this pin, we're going to take out this spring, and we're going to go ahead and take out this trigger. The hammer is right here. This is the hammer spring, and it is held on by these little bushings that go on both sides of the trigger. So we're going to have to try to be careful not to where we can reorientate that spring. I'm going to try to do this without removing the hammer if possible, but we'll get it chucked up and we'll go ahead and get started with it. Alright, I got you zoomed in here as close as I can so you can kind of see what I'm doing. It's kind of small. It's going to be hard to see, but we're going to take this pin out right here first, and that's going to relieve the pressure off the spring. Alright, there's our spring. There's our trigger, or what's left of it. And here's the new one. It's a different color, but it'll be okay. It should function the same. So it's gonna go in there like that right there. Alright, let's go ahead and drive this pin out, and we'll be real careful. Try to hold this spring back, and we'll try to just drive it out. And just put it right back in without taking that hammer out. We'll start with the small hammer first, see if it works. Nope. It's tight. Alright, we got it started now, so we're just going to go back to the little hammer, try to ease it out. Alright, so we got it all the way out now. We got the pin all the way out. That thing was hard to get out. Your pins, sometimes they will have, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but they're splined on one end, so they have to go, left to right. This one I had to kind of start it one way and then knock it back out the other. It did not want to go the correct way, but once I got it loose, it come on out. It did squash the little bushing, so I'll have to replace those, but luckily the new trigger came with them, so they're just little plastic bushings. All right, let's get the new trigger and get it put in. Luckily this hammer spring doesn't have a ton of tension on it, so I'm not going to have to worry about taking anything out there. I can just lift this up, slide the bushing in, it won't be too bad. Alrighty, so let's get started. So we're going to put this new bushing on with the spring, and it goes behind the hammer so it goes in there like that. And the trigger. Too far. So now the tricky part is I got to reach under here, pull that spring up, and then slide this in all at the same time. Not bad at all. Alright, so now we're going to function. Before I drive this in, we're just going to hold this spring down to hold tension on the trigger, and then we'll work the hammer. And the trigger. Alright, so it's functioning. Alright, so now we can go ahead and drive this pin on home. Alright, so now we gotta hold this spring down. But it functions. Alright, so now we can start putting it back together. Alright, so now we got to put the trigger guard back on. That's kind of what opens the breech. It's kind of the fulcrum mechanism. There's this little nut right here adjusts the tightness of the breech, and we're going to leave it the same. There was witness marks on it. That's from the witness marks and the pins. I'm just going to put it right back where it was. So I've already got this spring set with the pin. So I'm just going to slide this in there like that, and then push the pin through the hole. It's gonna be hard to do this on camera. I don't have enough hands. I'll try to put it back in the vise. There we go. Alrighty, we're all finished up. Got it put back together. There's your breech. It's working. The lock's nice and tight. Hammer. Alright, so we're all finished up here. Just got to get the barrel clean and get the breech plug put back in it. But like I said, I don't have the breech plug quite yet. I got it ordered, but it hasn't got here. But we'll get it put in when it gets here. But there's a trigger install on a Thompson Center Encore, or not Encore, Omega, Thompson Center Omega. Pretty nice little muzzleloader. But there you go. That'll finish this one up. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for watching.